Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Emporia Smart 5 louder. So at the start you have to open the Play Store, then look for the Volume Booster app. Volume is enough, and now just install one of these apps. I'm always using this one. Now click no thank you 3 times and close this window. Tap OK. And now the tool is active. If you want to boost your speaker level, just use that little slider to adjust it to your needs. And if you go back, the tool is still active. If you want to turn off that, just go to the background apps, tap on this one and choose stop service. Now OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.